What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you step by step how you can view hotpix numbers for the current day as well as historical draws. So what you're going to do is download the Supreme Ventures app from the Play Store or the App Store. Once you open the app, it's going to look just like this. So from the main screen, you're going to select the hotpix game. On the results tab, you'll see results for the current day or the most recent draws. On the archives tab is where you can view historical draws. So here I'm going to select the start date, which will be October the 1st, select OK, and I'm going to keep the current date as default. So here, you're going to now select the little search icon. When you scroll down, you will see the list of draws up until October the 1st. So that's it for now guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.